Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle to.
This particle is often referred to as the connecting particle because we use it to connect two or more elements.
To means and.
You can use this particle to make a complete list of two or more nouns. It comes after every noun in the list except the last one. Let's illustrate it with some examples. How do you say A and B?
A と B.
Here, the particle was inserted between the two, just like and in English. Now, how would we say A, B, and C?
A と B と C.
Note that the particle was inserted between each word. Let's keep going. How do you say A, B, C, and D?
A と B と C と D.
So again, we put the particle between each word. This is different from English. In English, we put the word and only between the last two nouns. But in Japanese, to comes after every noun except the last one. So can we hear a sample sentence?
ハンバーガーとポテトとコーラをください。
This means, could I have a hamburger, French fries, and a Coke, please? Let's hear the list again.
ハンバーガーとポテトとコーラ。
We just learned that the particle comes after every noun in the list except the last one.
Actually, in everyday life, many Japanese people omit it. It's very common to hear ハンバーガーとポテト、コーラ。
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
肉と魚が好きです。
I like meat and fish.
ケーキとチョコレートを買いました。
I bought a cake and chocolates.
牛乳とチーズは乳製品です。
Milk and cheese are dairy products. This particle also has the meaning of together or with. It's used to show involvement, that an action was done together with someone. Let's see some examples.
ジョンはヨーコと映画を見ました。
This means John saw a movie with Yoko. Let's hear with Yoko again.
ヨーコと
Let's take a look at a few more examples with the same particle when it means with.
明日、南さんとデートをします。
Tomorrow, I'll go on a date with Minami.
南さんはいつも猫と遊んでいます。
Minami is always playing with cats.
田中さんと食事をしました。
I had a meal with Mr. Tanaka. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
と
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
か
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!